Hello and welcome to another iPages video. In this video I'll be going over searchables. A searchable is a nice way for your customers to be able to filter your products, so for example by brand or characteristics such as colour. I'll show you what I mean. So if we go to our attributes and we have a look at our global attributes, which is the list of things that we list for every product. So we'd list all our colours, all our designers, all the weights, and everything else that could be used as a searchable or a variant. It's so that we can easily drag these into our sets that we create later. So let me show you what I mean. So if we go to new set and we give our set a title, searchable filter, that seems alright. Now use global attribute search is something that's new to the system. It allows you to define a root folder and have multiple folders inside of that, which then would be able to filter through all of those folders. So say for example we had shop, and inside shop we had several folders. We'd be able to assign this searchable to the top level folder, which would then search through all of the folders within. It's a nice way of keeping your products clean and tidy in the back end of the system. For now I'll leave this and I'll just go on to creating a normal. If I go to new subset and we give this a title, this is the title that they'd be able to. So for example, filter by designer or filter by color. We have to make sure that we tick is searchable, otherwise this will not work. So I'll go ahead and tick is searchable. And I'll also create a new subset and I'll call this color for now. Again, we have to tick is searchable, otherwise it will not work. Now as you can see, we can now, from our global attributes, drag in to our sets. For now I'll just drag in a couple of dummy ones, just so I can show you an example. So I'll drag in the color white and the designer pink. Now, we have to go back to our product. We go to edit, attributes, and assign the attribute set we just created, so the searchable filter. We then tick the relevant ones which are appropriate for this product. So for example, I only want this to be designer pink, and I'll save it, and I'll click OK. Now we have to go to our folder that our products sit in. So we go to our folder, we click edit, content uses, attribute filter, and use the set that we just made, so searchable filter. And then we can save our changes. If I go to the front end and refresh, you can see that the one that I assigned the product is the only one that shows. If I go back and I click edit on the product and click edit attributes, and I click color white, save changes, and refresh, it comes up with the color. This is a nice way to allow your customers to filter your products. See you next time.